Join the American Meteorological Society by becoming a member of the band. The AMS Weather Band is a global community of weather enthusiasts dedicated to learning and sharing their love of science. Visit amsweatherband.org to learn more and join the band today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Thursday, the 15th of April. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather improving today after some lingering rain this morning, but more rain about the time the weekend begins. This is the upper air look this morning across the continental United States. Pretty much the same pattern we've seen here for the past few days. There is an upper low that's over the Great Lakes and a trough in the western states and a pretty fast zonal flow over the southern U.S. and waves from time to time will be passing through. One wave this morning, producing some fairly strong storms on the immediate Alabama Gulf Coast and some light rain over North Mississippi that will be scooting through North Alabama early this morning. But again, much of the day today will be dry with a clearing sky. We are in the 50s and 60s early this morning. Birmingham at 57, highs in the upper 60s in most spots today. Still got that flash flood watch for Mobile and Baldwin counties for this morning in southwest Alabama. And around the nation, winter weather issues for parts of Wyoming and some of the adjacent states. Also in the northeast United States, winter storm warnings for parts of Maine, Vermont, and New Hampshire. And again, red flag warnings over parts of Arizona and New Mexico. Severe storms a possibility for parts of Texas today in the immediate Gulf Coast. And again, we've got that low-end marginal risk for Mobile and Baldwin counties in the Florida Panhandle this morning for that batch of storms passing through. Tomorrow, a marginal risk west of the state, parts of Texas and Louisiana. And on day 3, which is Saturday, a marginal risk kind of clipping the southeastern corner of the state. Also for parts of the Florida Panhandle and South Georgia. This is the rain for the next 7 days. Heaviest rain near the Gulf Coast. Amounts over South Alabama around 2 inches. A lot of that falling this morning. They'll see more rain late tomorrow night and Saturday morning. For the northern half of the state, rain amounts really not that much, under 1/2 inch. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. Upper low near Buffalo, New York. Trough in the west. And the weather improves today after the lingering rain this morning. We'll see the sky becoming partly to mostly sunny today. And again, the high I'd say between 67 and 70. Tomorrow, the day should be dry. Clouds will increase. And the high will be in the upper 60s. And that rain will be coming in here tomorrow night. This is tomorrow night at 10 o'clock. So the high-resolution model is a little faster with the rain. So that rain could begin as early as 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. This is Saturday morning at 7 o'clock, and you can see lingering rain across the state. So we'll have rain Friday night into Saturday morning, but by Saturday afternoon at 1, the rain is gone. So for the spring football games at Auburn and Alabama, you'll be in pretty good shape. Tuscaloosa will be dry. Auburn, there might be a little lingering raindrop or two about kickoff, but again, most of that game will be dry. The Magic City Classic at Legion Field Saturday night. Weather, no problem. The weather will be dry. This is Sunday. The day should be dry. The sky partially sunny, highs in the upper 60s. Monday, mostly sunny, the high close to 70. Tuesday, sunny with low to mid-70s. Same thing Wednesday. The next week looks pretty quiet. This is a week from today, Thursday the 22nd, troughing well to the west. And once again, we are dry. That next batch of rain probably coming in at the end of next week, sometime around Friday the 23rd. We'll go out 10 days. This is Saturday, the 24th of April. Trough developing over the states there from the Great Lakes down into the deep south. And that shows rain kind of moving out of the state. This is rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean about 2 inches between now and the end of April. Temperatures, highs drop in the 60s tomorrow and Saturday, then back in the 70s next week. A little below average for this time of the year. And the CPC outlook, this is for April 22nd through the 28th. Good to see the shades of blue. And again, that means temperature should be a bit below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with two N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.